So we had an interactive series on Instagram which I call the making of a coffee brand. So I asked my followers and I asked them for the suggested names of the coffee shop. And I received names like All Good Coffee, Koofy, The Who Cafe, Night Brew, The Old Press, Kuhut, and so on. So I also made some logo concepts, and the name one is from Ayush Dube, which is The Old Press. So partnered with the winning logo, which is this. So the second part, wait. Let me just sip my favorite cup of coffee. So on the next part, on the second part, I asked them to create a landing page for the Old Press coffee shop, and I created different kind of assets which they can freely use to create the UX and UI of the website. And also the small community from all over the world, small community of designers from all over the world began through my Discord server, which you can also join if you want. So the link is on the description below. And so I received 5 entries, which are really amazing. But before I show their creations to you, let me just have a quick overview of the ingredients of a landing page, which you can implement on your personal projects or of course on your client's work. So let's go. So I'm now in front of my computer and we'll just have a quick overview of the essential elements of a landing page, which I already shared to you via Instagram. So we'll just have a take a look again once again, and then So first is having a logo and a headline, which is the essential of a landing page. So a good copy is the key to grab the customer's attention. So you can also have a navigation menus, and then once you develop that landing page, you can anchor them or those tabs on the selected sections of the page. Then the next one is having a description, so you can highlight what the landing page is all about. Then we have the imagery or video if you want. So it can be a product image, a portrait of a person, a scenery, a video, and so on. So next one, which is the important of having a landing page, is the call to action button or the CTA. So it should be noticeable but still complements the overall of the brand. Then the next one is the supporting text. So you can write the benefits of the product or why customers should buy it. I'm having a... And then the next one is having a testimonials. So it shows that you can be trusted and your business is legit. And then lastly, of course, the footer. So you can add your links, your contact information, your social media icons. You can also include another attention-grabbing headlines before they decided to exit the page, and another call to action button if you want. So that's the quick overview of having a landing page or the elements of a landing page. So let's go back now to the entries of these creatives, and then we can one by one have a look over it. And okay, so going back, let's start with our first entry, which is from Paulo Rax. Okay, so let's start on the first essential of a landing page, which is the logo and the headline. So he also added a navigation menus, so home up to the contact us. So just a quick tip, the home icon or home tab is not necessarily recommended for a landing page because the icon will serve as your home link. So once they click the icon or the logo, it will refresh and go back to the first section. Okay? So about us, can be added, or maybe you can call it our story. Services is not so, and we see here that the page doesn't have a services. So maybe this is good for a normal or ordinary services kind of websites. Then contact us, can be also included on a landing page. Then once they click that, it will redirect to the footer, which has the email form. Then a search icon or search bar is not recommended for a landing page because a landing page or a one-pager website has a minimal content. This is best for an this is best for an e-commerce website or a blog, which people can easily search what they're looking for. Okay, so the banner is a carousel type. Of course, the CTA, which is buy now, which maybe can be redirected to the official website. Then the benefits of drinking of coffee, some fillers, highlighters, icon of the mug, then testimonial, which is good. Then the footer, which has the contact form, and the footer part, which has the big version of the logo, and maybe this fillers is the office hours or coffee hours. So good job, Paulo. Rocks. So now let's move with our second entry, which is from me here Meta 123. Okay, so the icon, which is I think this is really great that he made it small because of you can see the bigger version of the logo here. Then our story, testimonials, and contact. Great job. And then some headlines. All you need to feel better is coffee. Super accurate. And then some tagline and a read more CTA button. Great. And also, I appreciate your effort of editing this cup. I didn't include this coffee spill. So great job, me here. Then our story, which is in line with the navigation, our story. And then testimonials and the footer. I honestly love your footer, what you made here, especially this one. Really great job. You are a genius. And the footer, all of the important assets or important elements of a landing page, the footer part of a landing page is here. So stay connected, or the newsletter, opening hours, contact us, and the follow us with the copyright. Super minimal, simple, yet you can see all of the elements of a landing page. So great job, me here Meta 123. Okay, so now let's move with our third entry, which is from Rela.Creative Lab. And yep, wow, look at this one. This is really super creative. So the first is the icon or the logo. So Rela included some navigations here, the home, products, location, about, contact. So let's see if these are aligned with the whole landing page up to the footer part. So let's start with the header, which is, yeah, I really love this curve header. And he also included, Rela included the Brad, the person of Brad, and headline, and also click here to view our roasts. Let's see where it will go through once they click here to view our roast. Or maybe just remove the click here, because obviously people will click on this button. So just view our roasts, okay? It's a quick tip. The next one is the Old Press Cafe ambience. Really great. So of course, on a coffee shop, on a landing of a coffee shop, people will expect to see all of the varieties of that location. I mean, the imagery or the view of that coffee shop. So great job of including this ambience. So study area, work area, relaxing area. Great job. Oh, okay. Wow. Old press unforgettable roast. So the products, the click here to view our roast will redirectly go here. That is genius. I mean, I didn't include this. I mean, on the mechanics. I mean, on the details of creating a landing page for the coffee shop or for the old press, but I appreciate you for including this kind of section, which is really great. So having a cappuccino up to the Americano. Super cool. Then what our clients say about us? So testimonials. Yep. Look at this one. So visit any old press branch. So this is more like a highlighter of the page. So it's more visible for people to read, right? Instead of having it on the footer part. Another expectations for people. So good coffee, great ambience, and the free Wi-Fi, of course. And wow. So the footer has this look. So follow our social media, okay? And then here for takeouts or to go. Newsletter, which is a good addition to a landing page. So quick links, other, and legal. Yeah, I mean, overall, this is like so far the winner to me. Okay, so but yeah, let's take a look at the other entries. But Rela Creative Lab, good job. Okay, so let's move on with our fourth entry. So that's from Ray.D.Creator, Ray the Creator. Wow, look at that imagery. So logo, home again. You can remove the home and just include the about up to the contact. Then interesting, shop now button. Maybe this will directly go to the official e-commerce website. Then, yeah. Look at that image. I mean, she needed a coffee, right? Yeah, but yeah, great job of having this kind of imagery. This is really in line with drinking a cup of coffee. So, like, we have a headline here. So, we got the easiest way to stimulate your mind and body. Yep. I really like this highlighter, hand-drawn highlighter. So, the tagline, and again, the shop now as a call to action button. So, for the second section is the benefits of old press, which is good. One sec. Ila. Then, the third one is stay active, stay awake. This is like, so this is like a highlighter again of the coffee shop. And, oh, cool. So, he added a products. So then maybe this will directly go to the official website, an e-commerce one. My dog is really noisy. No. Then he added a customer testimonial again. And yeah, the footer part. So okay, so going back, having a discount code or a promo code for a landing page is sometimes essential, okay? Especially if a product is new or if a shop is new. So yeah, people or business owners needed a discount or a promo code to attract more customers, right? So having this one is great job. Then of course the footer. So maybe you can just crop this one because this is like having too much margin on the bottom part. But everything else and is really good. So Ray Creator, good job again. So our last entry from what you call it? So lesson from Seniorteck. So on the first part, so the logo and then the headline. So he added a navigation menu, which is home, which yeah, again, not really necessary for a landing page. Product, contact us, and then cart. Cart for a landing page is not really necessary unless it's an e-commerce site, or maybe you can yeah, I think there are other landing page shop one pager that has a cart button, but yeah. But for this kind of website, I mean, based on the information I gave last time, so having a cart is not really recommended for this one, okay? So the header is, yep, I think this is really cool. So maybe this one, maybe you can just overlay something dark here. So Brad, this person, will be highlighted more, will be emphasized more, okay? So this one is really cool. Benefits, okay? And the footer. You missed the hours and the contact form. So, but yeah, good job in creating this one. So I appreciate you having this concept. So you guys are all awesome. So you deserve a big round of applause. So give a round of applause to yourself, guys. I appreciate you all from spending some time, spending all your creative juice in creating this kind of concepts, and I hope that you all enjoyed working on this kind of designs and serve as a practice in creating a UX and UI design. So yeah, keep on creating and keep doing what you love. So based on the criteria that I gave on the old press brand details and of course the elements of a landing page, so the winner is none other than, drum roll please, the winner is none other than, yep, it's Rella that Creative Lab. Yay! Okay, so Rella executed a perfect sample of a coffee shop landing page. So as you can see here, so it has elements of why should people visit your shop, and we can see that Rella added some flavors to the page, like what kind of ambience does the old press have, what are the coffee flavors they serve, the opening hours of the shop, and yeah, the overall design of the page. So great job, Rella. And I also wanted to give a round of applause to Ray, the creator, so for doing an amazing effort and approach to the website. So maybe if this is an e-commerce website, then I think this will be a great start to have as the home page. Okay, so for Paolo Rocks, Mihir Meta, and Seniorteck, you are all amazing and talented as well, okay? So just continue doing your craft, practice, and of course, show your designs to the world. Okay, so as for the prizes, of course, you will all receive an appreciation prize. So for Rella Creative Lab, you will receive something from me from Shopee because you live here in the Philippines. So yay! So I'll just chat you with that, and of course the price or that item will be shown on Instagram on my next posts, okay? And for the other participants, I appreciate you from doing or from exerting your effort on creating this kind of landing page. So you will receive a gift. This is a short course from Udemy. So since you've used Figma, and I think this will be a great additional learnings to all of you to learn Figma more, so you can create an amazing UI and UX designs. I will give this course to all of you, to 4 of you. So this is a Learn Figma UI UX Design Essential Training. So the mentor of this is Caleb Kingston. So this is one of the best seller in learning Figma. So yeah, I'll just reach out to 4 of you, and you can just send me your email address so I can send this course to you. So if you guys like more of this topic, let me know in the description below, and maybe next time we will have another round of design series, which hopefully more can participate. So I hope you learned something new on this video, and of course, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Bye!